been reported from the Bengaluru airport itself. Now, this shocker is said to be of sexual harassment, where what has now been said that the Air India ground staff has been arrested and a South Korean woman was apparently targeted, and the accused posed as a security official. And this incident that has been reported at T2 International Departure, there has been fake baggage that has been used as a pretext, and the woman has alleged inappropriate touching. Let's get connected with Navya on this. Navya, there has been CCTV footage as well, but this is a sexual harassment shocker that has been reported from the airport. Can you give us the details, please?
Right. Well, the ground employee of Air India Stats is arrested on the grounds of sexual harassment of a South Korean tourist who has been to India for a visit. And while on her way back from Bengaluru Kia Airport, during the security check, under the pretext of saying security check, the accused took victim and to the nearby men's toilet, and he allegedly assaulted her, molested her. And the women, after finding out that there was something suspicious about this, she checked the CCTV footage and reported to the CSF, and immediately the CSF officers brought him to the Devanahalli police, and the police also got caught of him. And during the CCTV, it was found that he was not anywhere related to the security check, but still he had taken her aside and tried to molest her. Under this, after the FIR has been registered under the Devanahalli police limits, is what we are learning at this point. And the women who has filed a complaint against her,
against South Korean origin, has been alleging inappropriate touching. There has been CCTV footage that has now confirmed, as far as the police have now booked the accused, and he's now been sent to jail. Navya, for the moment, thank you very much for getting us this update. In the meantime, we head into a short break. You're watching the morning program.